Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a beautiful and thought-provoking line of Chinese poetry in Mandarin. 在山泉水清，出山泉水浊。在 in山 mountain 在山 in the mountains 泉水 spring water 水 water 清 clear 泉水清 the spring water is clear 出 out 山 mountain 出山 when it flows out 泉水 spring water 水 water 浊 murky 泉水浊The spring water turns murky. The saying of this poem carries a metaphorical meaning about how purity can be compromised when exposed to the complexity of the outside world. Particularly, it can be understood as environment shapes outcomes. Just as clear spring water becomes murky when it leaves the pristine environment of the mountains, people or things that start pure or ideal may become affected by external influence or challenges. Stay true to your values. It serves as some reminder to remain steadfast and maintain one's integrity when exposed to the complexity or convolutions of society. This phrase is often used to reflect on the effects of external environments on individuals or systems and emphasizes the importance of preserving purity amidst change. Okay, let's go through it again. 在山泉水清，出山泉水浊。Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy learning this beautiful line of Chinese poetry. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content on Chinese culture, language, and creativity. Remember, 在山泉水清，出山泉水浊。Let's stay true to our creativity and passion, no matter where life takes us. See you next time.